Hey y'all. So I haven't really found a way to actually hack this game. Um oh, it's called Cooking Madness. Uh just for people who've already played this game, just a little cheat sheet. It's very cliche, classic, you know. So just close out the app, go to your settings, date and time, make sure that's off the automatic, and I'm just doing it by days. So 19th, and it'll give you a notification. I still haven't found out how to fix it after you change it back to the regular day, but this is just a little something that you can use to, to get your money up and get like these cupcakes, you know. So, I'm gonna do it again. Close out the app, go back to date and time, set date the next day, or you can do the next hour. I'm just gonna do the next day again. Hit OK. It'll send the notification. So you see that little box up there. Open the app again. Let it load, and it'll pop up again. Day 3, claim, and you just basically do it for a whole week. Like, my bad. Okay, sorry about that. So yeah, close out the app, go back again. You, like I said, you just do it for a whole week. Hit OK. You'll get the notification in the top left corner. I still have to figure out how to fix it when going back to like your regular date and time. And I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Give me a second. Let me just get the last two, and I'll be right back with you guys. So I'm just doing the last one to get the 40 gems. Sorry about that. So yeah, I just collected the 40 gems. As you can see, I have almost 300 gems. I have 6,000 coins. Um, I don't really know how much of these I have. I won't really know until I play the game. But let me show you what I was talking about. Okay, so when you go back and you hit, well, when you basically turn everything back on to the actual date and time, and then you, as you can see, nothing pops up. Then you go back into the game. And as you can see, it does that. See? Yeah. So that's yeah, see, 51 days. That's the only thing I haven't been able to fix yet. Matter of fact, I think I know what to try. If I figure it out, I'll definitely make another video. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.